Okay, welcome to online teaching. New for you, new for me. Let's go. This is for the grade sixes. Um, their their lessons in pattern and algebra. Lesson number 11 on pages 77 to 78. So we're looking at algebra and understanding how to do things. So for example, if we took x plus 5 equals 5 plus 29. Difficult? Not really, because if we take this off, we can see that 5 equals 5. Obvious, right? Well, if that's so obvious, we can get rid of it. 5 equals 5. What does that leave us? X equals 29. What's our answer? 29. If you have the same number on both sides, you can just, and they're equal to each other, take them out, and your answer's left. Okay? With me so far. We're just making sure, taking out the extra information. So what is the opposite of these next ideas? Because if we can figure out the opposite, we can figure out how to get rid of it. So for example, what's the opposite of add 5? It's obviously take away 5. What is the opposite of subtract 13? Add 13. What's the opposite of divide by 7? Times by 7. So easy, right? Let's see why this is important. Keep going. X plus 7 equals X. How would we get rid of the 7? We would have to add 7. X equals 7 plus 7 equals X. Guess what? We can get rid of that information now. X divided by 3, something else, equals F. What do we have to do? The opposite of divide by 3 is times by 3. If we took that information out, F equals F. Again, it's correct. Finally, n times 4 something equals n. What's the opposite of times by 4? Divide by 4. So again, all we're doing is figuring out the opposite and being able to get rid of that extra information. What does that mean for this? Well, let's look at some actual hard algebra. What is the opposite? This is 3 times x equals 12. What's the opposite of times 3? The answer is divide by 3. If you're going to do it to this side, you should be doing it to this side. This is a full equation. So 3 times x divided by 3 is x. What is 12 divided by 3? I could call her my wife, but she'll be embarrassed. The answer is 4. So x equals 4. Again, x plus 3 equals 12. What is the opposite of plus 3? It is take away 3. What x plus 3 take away 3 equals x. X take away 3 is 9. So our answer is x equals 9. Last question. X divided by 3 equals 15. What is the opposite of divide by 3? That becomes times 3. X divided by 3 times 3 equals x. 15 times 3 equals 45. So x equals 45. All we're doing doesn't matter even how long the equation is in algebra, all we're doing is working backwards, doing the opposite. This is true in grade 6 math up to grade 11 math. This is all we're doing is we have to do step by step and take away the opposites until we're left with x on one side. Whatever left on the other side is going to be the answer. Clear enough? Excellent.